special delivery.
Okay, guys, Cartier again. Really nice in my background is my little daughter, so yeah, please bear with me. All right, like that, yeah. This one I just got in. This just come out of the box. If you see, guys, the box, Crescendo box is right here, guys. Yeah, this one just come out the box. Have everything with it inside of it. All in key and stuff, manual and stuff. Everything there, like you know, foam and stuff, guys. Everything is here. Okay, guys. So see the cover. I don't know why I'm getting that glaze in it there, right there. So, guys, this one, and this is the so 4 channel is a C2000.4D. All right, Crescendo C2000.4D Crescendo. All right, so before looking like this, it's a brand new amplifier. As you say, a new brand. Yeah, man, it's new brand. All right. So okay, yep, and this is the beauty. Oh yeah. All right, let me get. All right, these things I don't want to mess it up, so let me just get something to put on the board here, guys. Coming back to you guys real quick. Okay, guys. So right here, guys, on the output of these output for the speaker, he burnt them somehow. He said something, some bad connection he made, and it messed it up like. And these are 4R70. I think this is 4.7 ohms resistor. They're all burnt up. Yeah, the smoke up. Only one is alive right there. And over here everything is dead. And right here we have this. I'm not sure what was here, but it was a fuse or something. Well, let me see here. It was a resistor. Which I think it was a resistor because let me see the reading. Cause here it's burned real like it says R94. Yeah, it says R94. Right here, guys. It's right here. See if I give you guys a close up. Even though this, yeah, one though, yeah, that's burned right there, guys. So let me point it out again. Right here. So that's burned. So I think I'm gonna have to take this amplifier apart completely because sometimes I don't need the circuit board. Yeah, it has stuff messed up. So I'm gonna take it apart, guys, and I'll be with you guys in a second. Okay, guys, so I took it out as you can see. Let me turn it around here and see if anything is. And this side looks pretty decent, you know. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything burned on this side, which is pretty good. But I'm gonna check the output switch. Oh boy, I quoted my price already. He told me if there's nothing further, what it would cost, but you never know. So let me go through the output MOSFETs and see here. I don't think these are, yeah, these are MOSFETs. Alright. Alright, let me see. No, yeah, that's not an issue. Okay, it works. It comes on, but no sound. So power supply should be good. Oh, sweet Jesus, what is that, man? Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Come on, I got something over there that side. Hold on. I think those are. It should be like this. Coming down. Right here. Something not right here. Ugh. Ready then. So these two here. Shorting out. Wow, 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 wow. These MOSFET are B31 and 20. B31 and 20. Let me make sure these down. Copy B. That should be B31 and 20, guys. Oh my God, what did I do? I put them back up together. Don't tell me I did that. That's dumb. B31 and 20. All right, guys. So, oh sweet Jesus, what a wonder you are. All right. Take that one out. Take this one out as well. So B31 and 20. All right. That fan is right now. Everything cool. Guys, it's best to take this damn, well, not cursing, stuff outside. Oh yeah. And this one is reading really fine. So let me see. Switch it on and see. Good. Switch it off. Nice. So I guess it's only one that's damaged. But let's see here. Let's see. I'm gonna put this one back and see if I find one to match and just replace only one. Guys, don't think I have to replace both of them. Well, all of them I don't think I have to, but sometimes in case like this you can probably give and take, you know. Yep. So hope it's only one. Yeah. Alright. You guys see it? Alright, let me go up here. It was from right here. And this is it. I said this phone doesn't focus that well. I don't know why. That's a B31 and 20. So I'm gonna go through the rest of the transistors and see. This is one I just put back. Alright. Alright. So go up again. Yes guys, so since it's only one, guys, I'm gonna just replace the one. Alright, see if I have any in stock. I'm talking as if B31 and 20. Oh my word. Oh Lord, my goodness. Let's see if I find one that matches this. B31 and 20. B31 and 20. Uh-oh. What the heck am I doing? Alright guys, so I found one. Alright, let me switch it on and see something here. Alright, let's switch it off. On. Right, up. So I found one, guys. B31 and 20. Kind of matches the batch like that was inside, but just the same making. But pretty sure this is going to be perfect. So now this side that got burned, so I'll have to check something here. So it's this side here, so I'll have to see where these goes. Cause you have some diodes here, guys. So you always have to check for. These are good. So these are good. Alright, good. It's good here. Did I check the other side before? I must be over here. Let's see if I did any. If anything is good, everything is okay by here. Yep. Yep. So everything over here checks out to be okay. So I replaced which one? I did replace just now. Let me see if I have to solder back on the front. Here looks pretty good. Check the gate resistor. Says 0.2. Not sure the gate resistor they use here, but for a closer look and see. I can make out the gate resistor uses. Alrighty then. Oh, 2R2, so 2.2 ohms gate resistor. Really? Wow, those are really low. That's not bad. This amplifier Spitfire. So guys, so now I'm gonna replace all those. But here is what giving me the. I'm gonna figure out what goes here, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna look up some of these. As I said, these resistor here for the output is 4R70. That's 4.7 ohms, I think. 4.7 ohms. Yeah, there's one here that's okay. Yeah, 9.7 ohms. So, hold on. Let me give this a proper reading. Yeah, 4.7 ohms, guys. Yeah, I don't. So, alright, so let's. Yeah. Right. Alright, guys, give me a minute here. I'll be back. Go look some parts now. Alright, guys. So this is what they're going to be looking like. I have a bunch of them. Yeah, a bunch of them here, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I need 3 of them. But I'm gonna change all 4 because 1, 2, I don't know, the stress the other one goes under. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other one could go under some stress that we know not of. So we replace all 3. Maybe it will go out soon. So let's just be on the safe side. And I'm gonna replace all. They're right here now. Same exact diameter. All right. Yep. Resistor 4.7 ohms. Okay. Hey guys, 4.7 ohms. I'm gonna go replace these now, and I hope this video don't. Oh my word, this was plugged out. Alright guys, give me a minute here, guys. Stop the video. I'll pause the video a bit and get back to you guys real quick. Okay guys, so I set them in place. So let me start. I normally do this. Like one in first. Yep, that's it right there. And then this one like this. I think it's gonna run out a little. Stay right there. Come on, stay right there. Yep. Oh man, I blew one off the. What did I? Why did I do that? Yeah, man. I'm gonna have to look. Oh my word. Right, guys. Don't worry. I have them. Yeah. Tell you what, the devil is strong. The devil is very misleading. Very actively misleading. Alright, that's alright if my hand is in the way. But for some strange reason, I do that one of the circuit board like I don't know what the heck I was thinking. Alright, let me get one more. Alright. Alright guys. Not going to look for it now. I know I'll find it later when I'm not looking for it. That's when you normally find stuff. You know when you're not looking for it. Alright. Wow, that one was not much trouble. So yes guys, so one, two, 4 register right there. I'm gonna clean it up a little with the flux and then I'll figure out what's go here. And for now, let me see this. I think there should be some fuse, but I'm not sure. Wow, look at that guy break up. Circuit board is black. What the heck goes here? But I'll figure it out, guys, and let you know. You know me already. So give me a couple of minutes. I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, guys. With this repair now, guys, I'm gonna have to make a part 2 video of this because there's a part I'm looking for, which I'm gonna have to check my stock, and it's taking me a long time. I know I had the part, but I can't find it now. I don't know how comes, and I don't want to pause the video too long. Then it's gonna use up a lot of memory, and then so I'm going to look for the part and get back with you guys with a part 2 of this video. So the part that goes here, guys, it's the print up with it, which is the R94. It's a resistor, and that resistor is a 152. It says 152 on it, and it when I calculate it and the app I have, it says it's a 1.5 k ohms resistor. So that's what I'm looking for, 1.5 k ohm resistor. So I have it in the other type, but I want the surface mount to put it back like just like original. So that's why I'm going to check what I have my stock and my inventory and get back with you guys. And I know it's gonna take me some time because I have some other stuff to do around the house. So guys, I'll get back to you as quick as I can. So see you on the part 2 of this video, guys. CNC Electronics, Carty and Carty is out for now. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Part 2 coming up shortly. Okay.
Special delivery.